Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope you all fine. In this collection you see the Easter Wreath designs. Easter Wreath design for the outdoor decoration ideas. Hope you like the video till the end, and guys, don't go, stay with me. Easter decoration ideas for the outdoor, and hope you like the video, and I hope you enjoy my collection on daily basis. Beautiful and amazing style, beautiful and amazing collection. All to all designs are so unique, and I try my best was to use the best collection related to the Easter day and Easter celebration ideas. Beautiful celebration, beautiful happiness events are coming. So 2022 best for you, I hope, and wish you very best of luck. And this collection is very unique for you, and which designs for the egg style, and depend on you ke how to sell, how to decor your home, and how to decor your wall, and how to decor your inside and outside home. So don't go, stay with me.